Hey, this is John with Utopia Experience. So today we're going to be making bruschetta. Really easy, really good. I have my own little twist. I like to, a little different than most recipes, but still easy, simple. So let's just take our tomatoes, cube these up, large, small, whatever works for you. I like a fairly small sliced tomato. Ah, gracias. Perfecto. We have our toasted bread. Cabal, está perfecto. Así, gracias, bien amable. That was Elvira. She works in our kitchen. You might not eat all these tomatoes. Yum. Yeah, let's go ahead and do them all real quick. Why not? So basically, we're going to be adding some olives into this today. I also really love it with mushrooms. Unfortunately, I don't have any mushrooms yet, but we are growing some. So we have another video on that one. So if you want to check that out, we'll leave a link in the description below. I think that's good enough. All right. So I'm going to throw a little garlic in it, a little fresh. Oh, nothing better than the smell of fresh chopped garlic. I love it. It's intoxicating. So good. So how much garlic you put into this? 100% up to you. I'm probably going to do for about the 8 or 9 tomatoes, about 10 tomatoes. I'm going to use about half a clove of garlic. What am I making?
Yeah.
I am making bruschetta.
What is that?
Tomatoes with some rosemary. So what we're going to do now, we're going to throw some basil and some rosemary in here with this.
Daddy, in the babysitter language, this is vaca.
El bahaca.
El vaca.
That's right. In Spanish, it's el bahaca.
Yeah.
Yeah, pretty cool, isn't it? Do you know what it is in German? I'm not sure what it is either. We're gonna have to find that out. Do you like basil? Not so much? You like cabbage? You like repollo? Nice.
I every day eat it.
So green or black olives, really, whatever. I personally like green olives, or a little salty. But like I said, make this your own. All right. Yum. Now, this is completely optional, up to you. I personally like it with a little spice, so I throw in a little bit of some chili flakes, just to give it a little bite. Once again, to each their own. Also going to throw in a bit of black pepper, some sea salt, mix these up a little bit. I usually mix it a little bit just before I put in the oils and the balsamic vinegar. I don't know why, I just always do. So I'm going to throw in a little bit of, like I said, balsamic vinegar. So it's a new bottle. I'd say probably around four or five tablespoons worth. And just some olive oil. You can also use avocado oil, which I find really good. Bruschetta, check it out, man. Doesn't that smell good? Come on, smell that. Smell that and tell me that doesn't smell good. Come on.
I cannot smell that.
You don't smell that?
No.
Oh my goodness.
Because my nose is trapped.
Your nose is trapped? Awesome. Throw a little bit more salt in there.
Daddy, look. Daddy,
What do we got?
look.
Whoa, let me see this. What is it? Wow,
Butterfly.
that is a butterfly.
Yeah.
Amazing butterfly here from Indy. Super
And
cool.
Christy.
And Christy, she helped you draw that? That was really nice.
She did the outline and I helped her.
Really?
Yeah.
That's awesome. So, there we go. Easy bruschetta. Like I said, black olives, green olives, mushrooms, hot peppers, no hot peppers. I've even diced up fresh jalapenos in there as well, and it's amazing. So make it your own. It's super fast, super simple, it's easy, it's healthy, it's vegan, and it's delicious. So hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, hit that like and subscribe button. And if you know anybody that might find it interesting, please share it with them. Have a great day, and we'll see you soon. And it is as good as it looks. Trust me.